What's going on, everybody? It's your girl Chanel Stevens, and I'm back again with another video. And in this video, I want to tell you guys how I was able to make over $4,000 doing absolutely nothing. Now, you may be thinking this is some type of clickbait video. You might be like, what are you talking about? How you ain't do nothing, but you made $4,000? Well, over $4,000. And I just want to basically break it down and tell you guys this is all because of the power of CPA affiliate marketing. Now, if you're new to the channel or you never heard of CPA affiliate marketing, I'm gonna break down the exact strategy that I use so that I don't have to do nothing, absolutely nothing. I literally did not log onto the computer yesterday. I did not get on Facebook. I did not check any of my stats or even optimize anything. I was actually spending time with my family. I actually went out to eat and I still made $4,000. Now, how was I able to do that? Because I use paid traffic with CPA affiliate offers, right? So what I do is I apply to these affiliate networks. And once you're inside these affiliate networks, you have access to all these offers, right? A whole bunch of offers that you can absolutely promote. All you have to do is sometimes request permission to promote it, or sometimes it's just automatically approved. And getting into these affiliate networks is not hard. Now, some of them, they do require that, you've made some money online before, but if you made money with eBay or anything like that, or YouTube, they'll take those type of earnings and let you in. Now, it's really not difficult getting accepted, so I don't want to really go into that into depth in this video. What I really want to break down is just the power of paid traffic, because you guys have to realize when I was doing free traffic and posting in groups and just spamming comment sections and things like that, I wasn't making no money, especially not $4,000 in one day. Now, how I was able to get to this level was I simply learned and mastered paid traffic, i.e. Facebook ads, Bing ads, native traffic. I'm a specialist at all those traffic sources, and I know how to make all those traffic sources end up profitable for me. Now, this takes a bit of skill because you do have to know how to optimize the traffic. You do have to understand the numbers and understand how everything is working. And I can't break everything down in this video, but what I do want to say to you is that if you master the art of paid traffic, you most definitely can see the type of income that I see, because I'm not no rocket scientist. I did not get all A's in school. I'm not this brilliant person, and I still make all this money online. Now, how is it possible? Now, you don't have to reinvent the wheel. You don't have to go and find a brand new offer on affiliate networks and try to guess what's working. You can figure out what's working by searching the offer link in SimilarWeb. So when you see these different offers, you preview the offer link, and then you can actually see how much traffic these offers are getting. So what you want to do is you want to find those hot offers that's already online, and affiliates are already crushing, and you want to go and you want to make your own videos for it. You want to find some photos for it. And what you can do is you can use that and put it on Facebook. And with Facebook, and why I'm saying Facebook is because Facebook is so powerful. Why is Facebook powerful? Facebook is powerful because there's billions of people every single day on Facebook. There's so many people just on there, just scrolling up and just seeing all these sponsored posts. Well, if you're just on Facebook and you're scrolling and you're not having your own sponsored posts on there, then you're losing. All right. Because once somebody sees your sponsored post and they click that link, they can be actually getting taken to your actual landing page. Now, if everything I'm saying is sounding foreign to you, what you need to do is I made a free course video. You can watch that video after this. It's an hour long, and it breaks down everything in depth, how to apply to CPA networks, how to make landing pages, and everything like that. You can check that video out after this video, but I just want to break down the power of CPA marketing because I didn't have to do anything. Now, this is why I didn't have to do anything to make this $4,000, because my ad is getting shown to people continuously as long as I'm able to spend the money. So if you have a decent sized budget, $100, $200, $300, $400, $500 a day that you can spend on ads, that makes it very powerful, because now you are reaching thousands and thousands and thousands of people every day, and they're seeing your offer. They're seeing the services you're offering. And this doesn't even just apply to CPA marketing. You can use this for e-commerce and everything like that. But I use it for CPA affiliate marketing because to me, that is the most autopilot business. Now, when I make this $4,000, I don't have to go and fulfill anything. I don't have to go and, make sure my customers are happy or anything like that. Once I send the traffic and it converts, everything is out of my hands. I just get paid. right? I pay for the traffic and that's it. So what you guys have to realize is you can really truly live an autopilot lifestyle with CPA affiliate marketing. All it takes is just mastering the art of paid traffic. If you can master how to optimize and how to get offers to actually convert for you, then you can pretty much do the same thing that I'm doing. I get to just live life, do whatever I want every single day, and get paid. And it's just really simple because I don't have to sit there and slave. I don't have to work a job. And I see this a lot of people that's like, well, you know, I have like this business opportunity. Like they think they're making money like sometimes like kind of passively, but it's not, because you have to make those phone calls. You have to check in with your downline. You have to do the meetings. It's a lot of hands-on work with MLM or network marketing businesses. Also with like e-commerce, you have to answer customer support. You have to do the fulfillment. And that's just a lot of work to me. To me, I'd rather just go to these affiliate networks, get a simple offer, take the offer and run that offer on Facebook ads. And once the offer converts, I actually get paid and I don't have nothing else to do. I don't have to do any type of fulfillment or anything. So to me, that's very, very powerful. And that's how I was able to make $4,000 without doing nothing, because it's really nothing else to it. Now, some days I do have to go in, I have to optimize. I might have to cut a few ads. I might have to launch a few campaigns, launch a couple, more ads, add more traffic, when I'm actually scaling up. I really love this business model because it's so passive. Like once you have everything set up and running and the traffic just running, you're using your money to work for you. So this is not like just some simple like business. To me, I feel like an investor because my money works for me. I don't sit there and have to like slave for the money or trade my time for the money. All I have to do is just make sure my ads are continuously running, make sure my account is funded. Once I have my ads set up, I'm just making money pretty much on autopilot. So like really that allows me to have so much free time. I'm able to relax. I'm able to just live life how I want. I take vacations when I want, or when I'm at my crib, I'm just chilling. I'm actually from Atlanta, so I get to just hang around the city, or I go visit friends and family or whatever I want to do. And everybody's just looking at me like, it's Monday morning. Like today is Monday and I'm not doing anything. Like I'm making this YouTube video because I got time to make YouTube videos. And then from here, like I don't really have nothing else to do. I already checked my ads. Everything's running. I'm not launching any more campaigns today. I did the tweaking I need to do. Now I just need to let it run and I'll check the numbers tomorrow. But that's really all I got to do today. I don't have nothing else to do. So what can I do? I do actually have other businesses going on. So I do like put more time to that sometimes, but I have other employees and partners that are actually making sure that's running in the background. So really I have a bunch of free time and it's not even overwhelming. I use my time wisely at this point in my life. But back in the day when I first started making money with CPA, it was just crazy because like I just had all this time freedom, all this money, and I don't have nothing to like really do. Most people, they make a bunch of money, but they don't have a bunch of time. Some people, they have a bunch of time, but they have no money. But the power of CPA affiliate marketing is you actually have time freedom and financial freedom. And the best part is I get to work from anywhere. No commute. I don't have to go into an office. I don't have to, clock in, do anything like that. So it's just the best feeling in the world. So I just wanted to share this video with you. If you were ever second guessing, or if you're thinking about doing CPA affiliate marketing, now is the time to do it. It's such a hot opportunity. You need to take advantage now. I'm literally getting paid to sit here and talk to you guys, right? So that's all I got for this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.